Hey guys, I'm back. This is the real Desi girl, and today I'm going to be doing a very short video about the 6 products that I cannot live without which I was tagged. And yeah, so let's just get right to it. Okay, so I know that 3 products have to be one has to be a hair product, and one has to be a face product, and one has to be a makeup product, and the other 3 can just be whatever. So, okay, here we go. So let's start with hair. So I don't really do a lot for my hair. I just like leave it the way it is, and it's jet black, and it's the whole Indian straight hair. So I love it the way it is. I just let it be. I just have one little like streak of blonde hair, but otherwise it's just jet black. So the only thing I use for my hair is shampoo and conditioner. So this is my to die for hair product. This is a conditioner by Body Shop. It's called Rainforest Moisture. Conditioner for dry hair because I have dry hair and I love products that are just like as natural as possible. So this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? I'm sorry the lighting is so bad. It's like almost sunset. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's really pretty, and it's really soft and smooth, and I love it. And this product is my face product, which is in the 3 must-have list. And this is Cetaphil Cleansing Lotion for Sensitive Skin, 125 ml. And this is what it looks like from where I get it here in India. But I know that the packaging is different abroad. This I use 3 times a day. It's fantastic for my skin. I have dry skin, I have eczema, so this is absolutely necessary for me. I don't go anywhere without it. This would be my cleanser, and this would be my moisturizer. The same thing, Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Yeah, so this I don't include as a product in this. Just saying. And yeah, so that is my must-have face product. Next is my must-have makeup product, and this I absolutely always need concealer because I have really bad dark circles that are actually covered up all right now. Um, so this is really easy to carry in your bag. It is the L'Oreal Paris new True Match Super Blendable Concealer in neutral. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I love this. It works well for my dark circles. I don't have any other blemishes, just my dark circles. And okay, the other 3 products that I absolutely need to have in my bag at all times, if I'm traveling wherever, is lip balm. I have to have lip balm. Any lip balm will do, even Vaseline petroleum jelly will do. But I like this one. I just got it recently and I really like it. It is called the Maybelline New York Color Bloom Lip Balm. And this is what it looks like, and I think that it comes in different shades, and this one is called Peach Blossom, and it is really nice. The thing about this thing is it's clear, right? Like this is what it looks like. It's almost clear, slight yellow tinge, but when I put it on my bare lips, it turns pink. I love that. I love that. Just a light pink, very nice. And I also like the Lush lip balm, so nice, but I can only have one, so. The next thing I absolutely need is mascara, and I like this one. It's called Maybelline New York, the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This one is the non-waterproof version. I don't like waterproof ones. They stick to your lashes and they don't come out. It's really hard. So yeah, this is really nice. I like this one. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have heard of this. It's really good. Gives a lot of volume and length. And the last product, the 6th product, would be okay. This is the best pencil eyeliner ever. Like I have bought, I think, 7 of these, one after the other, just because I keep running out. And it is not a travel size. This is a size that it has come down to because I use it so much. And we're Indians and we love big kohl eyeliner. So I love this product. This is the Lancome India Ink Le Crayon Kohl, and it is really pretty. I'll put all the products that I just listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And if you want any makeup tutorials from me or anything of that sort, advice for Indian girls, whatever it is, I am here. Just leave comments, subscribe, rate, and like. Thank you. Bye.